Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can delete all your messages at once in any Oppo phone. So let's start. First, you need to go to your messaging app. As you can see, I am on Google Messages, but on this app, you can't delete all your messages at once. You need to select it one by one, and then I can delete it. But I can't select all these at once. To do that, simply you need to search message and tap on this. Now, this messaging app is a messaging app from Oppo itself, so don't worry. Set this app as default, and now let's say I want to delete all these messages at once. I just need to select one message, and here you will see select all messages will appear. Tap on it and you can see I have selected all the messages, and now I can delete it all at once. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next video.